Hello everybody, my name is Michael and I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. I wanted to take a quick opportunity to just share my programming progress for the month of August of 2024 and as well share some goals I had for that of September. I'm very proud to announce that in September of 2024 I completed Harvard's CS50P course offered online through EDX. I found this course to be both very challenging but also very rewarding as I worked through the problem sets and completed the final project. For my final project in this course, I was tasked with using my own creativity to create a script of my very own. I wanted to develop something that pertained to my specific field as a chemist, so I created an inventory storage system relating to that of materials that I would see. My final project utilizes object-oriented programming in the form of classes so that other people could also import those classes and use them in their own code. If you're interested in seeing my final project demonstration video that I submitted for the course, please check it out in the description below. In September of 2024, I'm really interested in continuing and completing the Python Crash Course book that I've been reading by Eric Matthes, so please consider following along if you are interested in seeing that. Within the text, there are various try-it-yourself problems that I will also include as supplementary videos on this channel. I already have the first one uploaded for reference. Please also see the description if you're wanting to watch that. I know that it might seem redundant to be taking on another beginner-friendly Python course, but I find that it is key to develop these concepts and solidify them early on before I move on to more complex material. If I don't have a strong foundation in the basics, then how am I going to develop things that are even more complex later on? If you are a beginner and wanting to follow along, please consider doing so. If you are also working through the CS50P course or Python Crash Course, please consider leaving a comment with any questions you have that I might be able to assist with. I would love to help. Thank you so much for watching.